What is it? I call you. I'm very happy I call you.
Aisha.
I promise to love you forever.
Aisha, this could be our last call. This could be our last call.
It's okay. It can. I'm not breaking with you. I'm not breaking with you.
Aisha, this could be our last call.
Don't talk like that. It can.
I'm tired of this life, Aisha. I'm depressed, Aisha. Aisha, I'm depressed. I'm depressed.
What?
I'm depressed.
No, you are not.
I'm depressed.
I don't understand why you are always happy. You sound very happy every time you call. You are always happy.
That is one thing with depressed people. They always look happy. They look happy, but inside they are dying. Aisha, I'm dying inside. Aisha, I'm tired of this life. Everything I put my hand, no one is going, no one is working. What is all? I want to end my life. I want to live this.
No, you cannot end your life. You will not. You will never end your life.
I'm calling you because I love you. Look at my hand. See, look at my hand, Aisha. Look at my hand.
What is that thing? What is that thing you are holding?
This is a substance, a chemical. Aisha, after this call, I will take it and I will leave.
No, please throw it away. Throw it away.
Tell my mother that I love her. Please, I love my mother. Tell her that I love her.
Take it away. Anything you think that you are suffering and you cannot compare it with the kind of thing that you will leave on people when you die. You talk to me that I tell your mommy that you love her. Did you ever think of how your mother would live after you take your life? Your family, your sister, your brother. Did you think of what the kind of thing you will live with them? They would forever live with guilt because they will not know where they went wrong with you, what the man could have done to you. Maybe they will say, was it money they could have given to you? Was it food, anything? When you, please, suicide is never an option. Taking your life is never an option. Whatever that you are going through, we can talk about it. You can talk to me about it. If I don't have solution, I can talk to any person about it. There is solution for anything. But taking your life, it is never a solution. It is never a solution.
Aisha, it's a solution for me. I'm tired. It's a solution for me.
No.
To go to that place. I think that place will be better. I think that place will be better.
You don't even know where you are going to. You don't know afterlife. You don't know what afterlife is. You don't know what you meet in another life. It is better you remain here with us. You think of the good times. When you are facing with difficult challenges, you remember the good memories. All those times you were very happy. All those times you remember your dreams. When you grow up as a child, you say what you want to be, what you will be, what you will buy for your mother. The smile your mother, she smiles when she see you happy. All those things, it calm people's mind. You should think of sweet things. You remember people that are lying in hospital. How about why you talk like this? You know people lying in hospital bed, asking Allah, asking God to make them strong like you are strong, People die in accident every day, but you cross road, you are safe. But people cross where they die. People they choke them, they come back, choke them, die. Stray bullet, mommy, I can say what stray bullet. It shoots people, they die. But you are healthy, you are fine, you are tall, you have this big body, you are full of life, you smile. When you smile, you make me happy. How about you must forgot about me. I love you very much. If anything happened to you,
you say I'm fine. You say I'm a fine man.
You are a fine man. How you are like this? You want to think to take your life. Haba, I beg you, please never ever think of it. Anything that is under this sun, under this earth, it has a solution. Everybody has his time. Your time will come. Everything you are doing will be moving. Dangote, she had time for challenge. She had time that she was a nobody. Any person. But with time, when you dedicate, you be consistent with what you are doing, you will get a desirable and that is very sweet. Everybody will admire. Please, I beg you, don't ever think of suicide. Don't ever think of suicide.
As you are saying this now, I'm just thinking of the reasons to die and the reasons to live.
No. There is not enough reason to die. But when you think of many reasons to live, one reason you will be better. Two reasons you will be a father. You will marry you. I don't want to talk that one. I'm not laughing. To your mother, she alive, she see you. It's a reason.
I've heard you.
For your mother
I've
to
heard
see
you. Thank you.
Plenty.
I
reason. You
feel
come very
better now.
uncomfortable.
I feel better. I feel better.
Nobody.
I feel better.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You call me happy.
better.
Thank you that you call me. Thank you.
I almost took my life. I almost took my life.
You will not. You will feel better. I'm very sorry that
you.
you feel what you feel. It will go with time.
Thank you.
You throw that thing away, you throw it away.
I'm no more holding it. I'm no more holding it.
You pour water on your head. Yes. You will get yourself and you eat good food.
No wala.
Smile for me now. You smile for me. Smile for me. I know that you are okay. Smile.
I don't want to smile, Aisha. I don't want to smile.
Smile. It's me, Aisha. You smile for me, Hawa. Smile.
Okay.
But you do your hand like this. You say, I am a winner. Say it. I want you to say it. Say, I am a winner.
I am a winner.
Say it with confidence. You have to say it. You are a big man. You say it like a big person. You say, I am a winner.
I am a winner.
I will never take my life.
I will never take my life.
Say it, you are smiling, you say it so that I will know you are meaning it.
Okay.
I will never take my life.
I will never take my life.
Because I am going to succeed.
Because I'm going to succeed.
Because I'm going to succeed.
Because I'm going to succeed.
And because I like my family, I will not take my life.
And because I like my family, I will not take my life.
Yawa. And because I like Aisha, I will not take my life.
I like Aisha, I will not take my life.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you.
Aisha.
Eh?
Because send money for me, yeah?
Oh,
You have given me moral support now. I need financial support too. Will I succeed with an empty account? Send me something so that I will start succeeding with something.
Don't worry, I have your account number. I will send you something. I will always send you money, ODOGWU. It's not a problem. I will send you money. Kaziko, make sure you eat. You take your bed, you eat. Kazi?
I'm looking at my phone. I'm waiting for the alert already.
So if I say you don't hear it, fine. I will use the alert. I will show you.
Okay, thank you. I'm happy now.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm very happy.
I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yamba Comedian, click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, go. We are begging you, please go.